The CEO of DBEST PLAN, Engineer Sebastião Martins, adopts a differentiated approach to the pre-feasibility economic and financial analysis of projects. Rather than relying solely on fixed estimates of productivity, fertilizer prices, and crude oil prices, he uses Monte Carlo simulation, an essential tool for dealing with uncertainties and supporting strategic decision-making. This technique enables a probabilistic analysis of results, considering multiple possible scenarios and allowing an assessment of how variations in assumptions directly influence the IRR, internal rate of return, of projects. The charts presented show the probabilistic distribution of the IRR and the model's sensitivity to key variables. As we can see in the probability chart, the expected average IRR is 46.96%, with an 86.36% certainty that the rate will fall between a minimum of 20% and a maximum of 48.56%. The sensitivity chart, in turn, shows that fertilizer prices, carbon credits, and crude oil prices are the factors that most positively impact the IRR. On the other hand, CapEx, the percentage financed by the fund, and input expenses are the factors that most negatively impact it. Furthermore, one of the challenges faced is market risk, particularly the decline in crude oil and fertilizer prices, which can compromise indicators such as ROI, return on investment, and the IRR itself. However, even with a 20% reduction in the prices of these inputs, the analyses indicate that it is still possible to maintain an ROI above 20%, which meets the requirements of financiers. The simulation also indicates that even in the face of a 24.62% drop in input productivity, the annual IRR can remain at 39.62%, surpassing the minimum attractiveness rate of 17% desired by investors. These analyses reinforce the importance of Monte Carlo simulation as an essential resource for assessing risks, projecting scenarios, and providing security to investors in their decision-making process.